So I'm going to start with this exponent right there because you can't really get past it unless you figure out what that answer is. So it's 10 minus 4 times 3 plus 4. And then you flash back to algebra and you're like, whoa, I can cancel those out. And you end up with 10 times 3. So you say that the answer is 30. Team 30! Yeah, except that's not right. I made a mistake and didn't follow the order of operations. It happened right in there. So let's review that real quick because it's been a minute since most grown-ups have seen this. So we have PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or some other way to remember it, but the P stands for parentheses or grouping symbols or whatever that you might see. Sometimes they look like this, and sometimes you might have parentheses inside parentheses. Exponents, got that. M and D stands for multiplication and division, but you do those in order from left to right, how we read, so how they appear. It doesn't mean multiplication always comes first. Same thing for adding and subtracting, in order from left to right. So we need to redo this one and fix that little mistake. It isn't even an order of operations mistake exactly, but it is reasonable for people to do that after you've taken a lot of math classes, because we do that all the time. So we have 10 minus 4 times 3 plus 4, so the start was fine. But right here, instead of touching those two, you have to do this multiplication here. You got to do that first before you do anything with adding and subtracting or canceling. So we get 10 minus 12 plus 4. Then I have a subtraction and an addition. And even though this says A before S, we know we have to do the subtraction first because it comes up first. And we get negative 2 plus 4, which is 2. And that is the correct answer of all the things. Yeah, we got to remember all that little stuff.